on my way to the airport to go to Harbin tonight. I came early that morning. What? Let's come back to the airport and it's quite confusing. Here I need to go to the fourth floor for the domestic departures. But no such thing as too early for shit to happen. So here I got free lunch from China Southern Airlines. But as you know, there's no such thing as free lunch. They gave it to me because my flight to Harbin has been cancelled. The officer told me that every single flight has been cancelled.
Flight CA8231, Flight ZH4721, Flight ZH4709 to Guangzhou has been cancelled due to weather condition.
Yeah, you hear that? It wasn't all happy-go-lucky. Hahaha, luar negeri, yay! No, it was not. Here's the recap of the situation that I'll explain as slow as possible. My outbound flight from Wuhan to Harbin had been rescheduled to the next day. That's why I stayed in that hotel in the nowhere. And now, the already rescheduled flight that's supposed to leave that night from Wuhan had been cancelled, so my flight was diverted to another airline that will leave for another day. Hence, you see this video that will be titled as Stranded for 32 Hours in Wuhan Airport or something. Those cancellations cost me so much. Since I couldn't reach the hostel that I've already booked in Harbin in time, I needed to cancel it too. My prolonged days in Wuhan probably made me late to see this. Yep, first thing that you'll see if you google Harbin. Yeah, that's my only footage of Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival in Harbin. If you came here to see those things, you came to the wrong place. Go watch another people videos or just go to Harbin by yourself. Just don't be late and go buy more expensive travel insurance. Maybe, I don't know, who cares. At the same time, my flight back from Harbin to Jakarta via Chengdu had been rerouted via Beijing. But I insisted to go to Chengdu, so I went to the airline office in Saigon, which already been closed, while I should leave to Wuhan in the same night. I do believe contacting them via chat or customer service will be another hassle, language and everything. So I cancelled the flight and got a refund that I used to pay for my flight from Harbin to Chengdu. But I needed to get to another flight from Chengdu to Jakarta, and it cost me another more than 2 million rupiah. So, does my travel insurance cover any of those? No. Nope. Nah. From yesterday to today. Now from the supposedly few hours in Wuhan, I am now stranded for 2 fucking days. My fucking idiot cola. I didn't drink cola, but for the very special situation like this, I will take what I could get. And since it's warmer in the airport, I think I'll stay here. It is the busiest airport in central China, as a hub in the center of China's airline route network, the 14th busiest airport by passenger traffic in the country. The name Tianhe can be literally translated as Sky River. What a name. Yang pertama dilakukan pastinya mencari sumber air. Get one. This is like, Wuhan street food. Ya gitulah, keluar masuk untuk merokok. Tanganku mungkin mulai merasa frostbite ringan, pedih-pedih tolol. Untungnya kan nggak ada smoking area, jadi merokok bisa dikurangin. Soalnya kalau enggak, hanya ngerokok tuh lagi, apa lagi? Ke bawah ke lantai lain, nggak tahu juga mau ngapain. Lantai 2F, lantai 3-nya nggak ada. Ini kayaknya tempat saya kemarin datang. Pijat lagi lah, pijat.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? We will ready announce red flight China Eastern Airlines 86 from.
Finally found something.
May I have your attention please?
How much will it cost?
The flight has been cancelled due to weather conditions. Thank you.
Sleep capsule. Ada mahalnya, lebih mahal dari Donald Duck.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your flight Tianjin Airlines.
Kayaknya sayang dari segitu. So apparently take a nap, even though its name is in English, didn't take brain gas. I'm gonna definitely sleep there on the it rest. The receptionist say it's due to qualification reasons. I mean, come on. Yet the staff lady still tried to help me, and she drawn me this map to show me where the nearest hotel located. And I can't help, I just burst out laughing. Her drawing reminded me of this exact scene in One Piece. I can't even mad. It was the funniest thing that happened in a while. Ini saya cari dari tadi tempat buat relax juga agak susah selain air rest. Bisa tidur gratis sama makan saya hasil flight yang di cancel.
迎接旅客的各位请注意，我们抱歉的通知，由天津飞来本站。
I think it was
天津飞来本站的。
I'll take all that I could get. Yep, not much going on. In fact, there are way more stuffs happened in my brain. Too much hassle. Should I just abandon my Harbin plan? Nope, not ever. Should I just go to Chengdu or somewhere else in China? Probably. Should I just come back home? Nah.
本站的时间待定，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, CZ7073.
Announcernya ngomong mulu anjing. Semalaman suntuk. Saking banyaknya perlu diumumin. Cancel this, cancel that, cancel that.
迎接旅客的各位请注意，我们抱歉。
You are cancelled.
由海口飞。
Gak bisa tidur karena nggak bisa aja. Akhirnya beli mie instan lagi, mie seduh yang yang mana untungnya sama harganya kayak di hotel, 8 yuan. Kirain karena di airport internasional pula bakal 80 yuan satunya. Ada mie, ada sumber air panas, air dingin. Ya, let's go. Here I present you makanan paling enak se-Wuhan. Karena dari kemarin makan ini mulu. Untuk Wuhan ya, atau China secara keseluruhan overall, mungkin selain memudahkan visa dan persyaratan masuk ke negara ini sejak belakangan ini makin gencar. Mungkin juga hal lain yang perlu diperhatikan itu ngasih fasilitas untuk tamu-tamu dari luar, termasuk menggalakkan bicara bahasa Inggris. Kalau enggak juga ya nggak apa-apa sih. Termasuk bikin fasilitas yang bisa untuk kami nginep di sekitar atau di dalam hotel, biar enggak kayak gini numpang lantung nggak jelas, mondar mandir di airport, nggak ada faedahnya untuk kita semua. Udah lewat jam 12 malam, yang berarti udah ketiga saya di Wuhan tanpa diniatkan, tanpa direncanakan. Kembali lagi ke spot favorit, smoking area. Kali ini tumben nggak ada siapa-siapa. Ya di tengah malam bor. Udah ganti hari juga, berarti udah setengah hari. Saya nggak ngomong sama siapapun selain petugas di airport ini. Nggak ada yang nyapa duluan. Mungkin mereka ngira saya juga orang sini, tapi mungkin ragu juga. Soalnya rata-rata lihat orang sini nggak ada yang miara facial hair, atau mungkin nggak tumbuh. Jadi mungkin mereka ini antek asing. Selain menurut orang-orang yang saya dengar bahwa di sini juga nggak terkenal dengan keramahannya, tapi petugas semuanya ramah. Rata-rata dengan bahasa Inggris sepatah-patah. Kalau saya nanya apa, kadang dianterin. Saya nggak pernah nggak ngobrol sama orang di Saigon selama ini, walaupun aslinya saya juga kurang suka ngobrol. Mungkin karena saya Cina. Baru banget pisan habis menutup video yang tadi, yang barusan ada orang ngajak ngobrol, tentu saja dengan bahasa Hanyu. So I only speak Hanyu here in some Hokkien semua. Ya ginilah nonton salju jatuh di Wuhan. Ini doang ya shootnya, angle-nya, background-nya. Saya tahu datang ke Cina itu bakal challenging. Tapi ini di luar perhitungan saya juga. Bad weather and everything.
Due to weather condition.
Saya juga udah lumayan pengalaman dari luntang-lantung tahun 2017 lalu yang ceritanya bisa kamu baca di Tumblr kalau berminat, bahwa kesengsaraan, along Soji Wo, kesialan, bakal datang mengetuk, menggedor, atau bahkan mendobrak pintumu di lejuk manapun ruanganmu berada, bahkan saat sedang nggak di ruangan sekalipun, langsung didobrak masuk. That's that. Kesialan nggak peduli kamu lagi traveling, kamu untuk pertama kalinya keluar negeri, pakai duit hasil kamu dipecat. I am. Good morning, Wuhan.
You ever feel like you're just living in an airport?
Wait, that's not my footage. That's Viktor Navorsky's. Just clean myself using wet wipes. I do have plenty of wet wipes that can be handy for this kind of time. There are some of my collection of wet wipes collection. Like, see, this one I got it from Vietnam, the Ban Mei restaurant. Some of those I brought it here from Indonesia. Udah segar, udah wangi, udah higienis. Mungkin saatnya ngove. Cafe Nong. Kayaknya itu masih bahasa Vietnam ya. Hello. Breakfast today is salt and cheese toast and looking coffee. Was like okay then it's like 66.000. Rotinya dingin, nggak diangetin. Gua kopinya hangat, kopinya khas winter. That morning, eventually there was somebody that started conversation with me in English.
We headed for home?
There was a nice lady that tried to help me ordering the coffee. Wait, that's also Viktor Navorsky's footage. She also helped me to communicate with the staff when I wanted to leave my bag there and go somewhere else. I went outside to smoke, sebat-suabats lah, dingin anjing. And then when I back to that coffee shop, she was nowhere to be found. Dang, this is definitely why you shouldn't smoke. A new day, new hope. As far as I know, it's only flights from Chengdu that has been cancelled so far today, this morning. I just can only hope. See, all three from Beijing, Lhasa, Tibet, and Chengdu. All right. Miniso di tempat asalnya. Miniso tuh Cina bukan sih? Ada boneka Luffy gede banget, yang belakangnya jadi meme dipakein wig sama kacamata, jadi this girl has permission to ruin my life.
一进旅客的各位请注意，D336S 次航班已经到达，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Flight China Southern Airlines. Flight
So something unusual happened exactly when I was in front of the check-in counter. Something's weird entering my nose, I guess. I'm coughing and felt a bit dizzy.
I might sounded and looked calm there, but holy hell, thought I was gonna needed to go to the hospital in a second. For the first time in this trip, I felt super panicked. And yes, this city's current history definitely doesn't help at all. I drank all of my water, breathing for 7-8, and the sensation passed gradually. I think it was just the room heater hits, jolting its way out to my nose, where everybody else but me already accustomed with. Fortunately, there's nothing serious from that point. I don't know, is it?
But the good thing, I also happened to be transferred onto another carrier flight by China Southern to GJ Airlines, like GJ nggak jelas. It is a Loom Air, I guess it was the name of the carrier. Oh, and another good thing, I finally got rid of my trolley, the one that accompanied me for like the last 24 hours. Aing kesetrum terus geblek. Saya pernah baca jangan pegang besi atau metal gitu di saat winter dengan tangan kosong. Dan itu ulang-ulang terus, saya pegang terus trolinya dan ternyata efeknya nyetrum. Parah banget, gak ada yang ngabarin. Sehari ini nyetrum mulu dan diulang-ulang terus. What a moron. So I've entered too early to the domestic gates and I didn't have any gate to enter yet. Kita cucinya belum ada katanya, gate-nya belum ada. Ya udah, motor-motor aja dulu. Lagian bagian bandara yang ini juga kan belum pernah dijelajahi, belum pernah saya jelajahi. It's a whole new world. Look at how long the furthest gate is. Lumayan nambah-nambah step per day. So my flight, GJL, is on the gate 3, which means it's about 600 meters. Go there. Wasn't that most? I do wanna buy fun gifts to everyone. How about this one? too big.
照顾好身边的老人，牵好小孩。
Ah, you guys still here? Here, I finally see the city of Wuhan from photograph.
Wuhan is beautiful ya. Berikut video soal Wuhan. Iya, saya jauh-jauh ke Wuhan emang mau lihat video tron tersebut. Ya tapi gitulah, banyak pameran, banyak lukisan, benda-benda apapun soal Wuhan yang bisa kamu lihat-lihat. Walaupun kamu ke Wuhan hanya ke airport, seperti some certain person we know. Restoran Po.
Not pho, it's pho.
Bisa makan po di sini di Wuhan. Salah dong. Sevelbor. Sevel kopinya di sini sama nggak ya? Sama-sama nggak enak nggak ya?
I think I'll always remember Wuhan being the first place where I felt the temperature drop to zero, even sub-zero, where I accidentally saw my first snow ever, also as only the second airport where I have had sleepover. Probably most jarring experience overall for this whole trip, which almost make me extended this list. It was strange, unusual, it's Wuhan.
And all the aircraft through gate 8. Thank you.
Such a welcome to China, with perhaps some character development stuff. Unplanned and longer than I expected. Bye bye Wuhan. Because it's time for me to answer the call from Harbin.